What can Azure Advisor's AI do for Azure resource optimization? Imagine having a smart assistant that keeps an eye on your cloud setup and suggests ways to make it better. That's what Azure Advisor's artificial intelligence can do for managing your Azure resources. It's like having a knowledgeable guide working behind the scenes to help you save money, boost performance, and keep everything secure. Azure Advisor uses advanced algorithms and machine learning to analyze your environment. It looks at how your resources are configured, how they are being used, and gathers telemetry data from your cloud setup. It compares all this information against Microsoft's best practices for Azure cloud management. This helps it spot inefficiencies, like virtual machines or databases that are not being used fully or are idle. It can also find misconfigurations that might put your security at risk or cause performance issues. One of the main things Azure Advisor's AI does is help with cost savings. It detects virtual machines, databases, or other resources that are consuming more compute or storage than needed. It then recommends resizing or scaling these resources to match your actual demand. For example, if a virtual machine is running at only 20% capacity, it might suggest downsizing or shutting it down to save money. It also points out opportunities to buy reserved instances or set up auto-scaling, which automatically adjusts resources based on your workload. This way, you only pay for what you need. Performance is another area where Azure Advisor's AI shines. It can identify configuration changes that improve how quickly your applications respond. For instance, it might suggest enabling auto-scaling for applications with fluctuating traffic or adjusting resource allocations based on usage trends. These recommendations help your apps run smoothly without delays or bottlenecks. Security is a top priority in cloud management. Azure Advisor's AI flags potential vulnerabilities or deviations from security best practices. It might recommend enabling multi-factor authentication, setting up firewalls, or updating outdated security settings. These suggestions help strengthen your environment's security posture. Reliability and operational excellence are also part of its focus. It suggests configurations to improve availability, like enabling backup and disaster recovery options. It provides step-by-step guidance to implement these changes, making it easier to keep your environment resilient. Every recommendation from Azure Advisor comes with detailed instructions and links to relevant Azure tools or portals. This makes it simple to act on suggestions quickly. It also offers bulk remediation features, like Quick Fix, so you can make multiple improvements at once. You can customize what Azure Advisor monitors by selecting specific subscriptions or resource groups. It also sends alerts when new recommendations are available, helping you stay proactive. Overall, Azure Advisor's AI reduces the manual effort needed to monitor and optimize complex Azure environments. It aligns your resources with best practices, helping you avoid common pitfalls like over-provisioning, security gaps, or slow performance. Its automation supports better cost control, security, and operational reliability. Compared to other cloud platforms, Azure Advisor integrates deeply with Azure services and tools. It offers tailored insights that reflected Azure-specific features and configurations. It also complements DevOps automation workflows by providing recommendations that can be integrated into continuous improvement processes. In short, Azure Advisor's AI acts like a constant, intelligent consultant. It helps organizations keep their Azure infrastructure optimized, secure, and cost-effective, all without needing to spend hours manually reviewing every resource.